is something absolutely marvelous. So our congratulations to you, ma'am. And with this, we start this year's Scotch Awards. And I have the pleasure of announcing that the very first award goes to Dr. Shashi.
Oh, wow.
Your work in home-based early childhood care and education. So congratulations to you.
This is for the entire department. My entire department, right down to the village. They've all worked hard. Doesn't happen singly. And of course, Honorable Chief Minister's vision and her support, tremendous support. Thank you. Thank you for the recognition. Thank you for this recognition.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
The next one goes to Mr. Rajiv Arora, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Haryana, Health Department for COVID-19 status in Haryana.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. ACS sir is busy in Home Department. I give my thanks on his behalf to all your team. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Do send us a photograph of his with the award. These awards will be physically sent to you by courier, maybe reach you in 7 to 10 days. But do take a nice photograph with your respective chief ministers. We can use it for publicity. We'll put it in newspapers. We'll make sure that it is acknowledged, because in these COVID times, this is possible to do.
Yes, sir, will do so.
Next, Mr. Nitin Ramesh, PWD Department from Uttar Pradesh for efforts to fight COVID-19. So Rajiv, if you are there, you have to unmute yourself. Yes. You can speak now.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to you, entire team.
Congratulations.
Ms. Meenakshi Rajgopal, Additional Chief Secretary and Project Director from Tamil Nadu, Post-Tsunami Sustainable Livelihoods Program, response to COVID.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Dr. Bhaskar Katamneni, Commissioner of Health, Medical and Family Welfare, Andhra Pradesh, for COVID-19 digital handling. Dr. Bhaskar there? Government of Karnataka, Dr. Rajni B.N., Deputy Director, Department of Health and Family Welfare Services, for immunization services during COVID-19. This one goes to Dr. Sudarshan Mandal, Additional Deputy Director General for Project Nikshay version 2.0, Central TB Division, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India.
Thank you, Mr. Samir Kochar and his team, the whole Scotch team, for awarding us such a that Scotch award. And credit goes to whole Nixoy team and also Central TV divisions. And thank you very much.
This one goes to Bihar Agriculture University, Sabor. Dr. Ajoy Kumar Singh, Vice Chancellor, being received by Dr. Ravindra Sohane, Director, Education.
Thanks to Scotch Group for recognition, and credit goes to entire BAU and ICDS team. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations. The next one is for Ms. Sonika, Mission Director, National Health Mission Uttarakhand, for monitoring and follow-up through 104 helpline.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the Scotch Group and Mr. Samir Kochar, and this whole effort, the credit goes to my whole team of health in Uttarakhand. Thank you so much.
Mr. B. Karunakar Reddy, Managing Director, Apollo Microsystems, for response to COVID, next one in the silver category.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. On behalf of Apollo Microsystems.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Piyush Jain, co-founder and CEO, Impact Guru Technology Ventures Private Limited, for helping patients fund their medical expenses. Mr. Sanjeev Ranjan, Chief Executive Officer, Gorakhpur Industrial Development Authority, for Industrial Entrepreneurship Skill Development Program. The governance, silver.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for give the opportunity. और आपने गोरखपुर के लिए इतना बड़ा हम 10 लाख लोगों को रोजगार बनाने वाले हैं, सर. Coming soon. Thank you. Hello. Hello.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
If I may, रंजन जी, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको. और गोरखपुर को सर्वोच्च सम्मान तो ये मिल चुका है कि चीफ मिनिस्टर ही आपके हैं, और आप गोरखपुर जैसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर आपने इतना अच्छा काम किया. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जी, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. समीर सर, थैंक यू सो मच. आप एक बार गोरखपुर जरूर विजिट करिए सर. वेलकम है आपके लिए सर.
आऊंगा, मेरे को तो इंतजाम कर दीजिएगा. बुढ़ा हूँ, लाइन में नहीं लग सकता.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल वेलकम है सर. संजीव सर भी आज जस्ट अभी 10 मिनट पहले संजीव सर की सीएम साहब से मीटिंग हो रही थी, तो हम उनके बिहाफ पे थे. बट हमारी टीम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है सर, और वाकई हम लोग एक क्लस्टर डेवलप करने हैं, आत्मनिर्भर भारत और मेक इन इंडिया का जो सपना है सर, वो स्कॉच अवार्ड के इस अवार्ड से हम लोग को हौसला बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा है. और अभी सर हम लोग ट्रेनिंग सेशन में ही बैठा हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली ट्रेनिंग ही दे रहा हूँ महिलाओं को इससे अभी. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा सर आपको इस बड़ी मूवमेंट
में. आपसे अलग से बात करूंगा. भूषण, कैन यू मूव?
जी, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके.
Dr. Anita Kokar, professor from VMMC and Masters in Hospitals, First Bharat, Silver. Know your breast, save yourself.
Thank you so much for giving me this award. I'm truly humbled, and it's been so many years of hard work that has gone into this, and it's encouragement like this that keeps me going. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Karnataka State Remote Sensing Application Center for COVID-19 Geospatial Portal for Karnataka, Dr. D.K. Prabhuraj, Director, Silver in response to COVID.
Thank you. I'm Vijay from Karnataka State Remote Sensing Application Center. On behalf of our director, Dr. D.K. Prabhuraj, and our project director, Shri Jayachandra Mani, and our whole team, we are receiving this award. Thank you, Samir Kochar sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Next one is for Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Superintendent of Police from Paschim Medinipur District Police. Response to COVID, gold.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this Scotch Group for giving such a honors reward. And this whole credit goes to my team and all my supervisory officer on the field. So thank you once again for recognizing our efforts. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And now invite Mr. D. Gautam Sawang, Director General of Police, Andhra Pradesh Police Department, for Disha Mobile Application, the digital economy category, gold.
Thank you very much. My appreciation and gratitude to the Scott Group for acknowledging this Disha mobile app, which is again a very unique application, which is primarily targeting women safety issues, and it has done a great deal of reassurance in the state of Andhra Pradesh towards women's safety. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. The next one also goes to Mr. Sawang for AP Police Seva Mobile Application. Another gold.
I think it should not be, my name should not have been mentioned there. It's basically Andhra Pradesh Police We have a batch of very young, talented officers who have really, as I said, unleashed their potential. And during the time of COVID, very challenging time, in fact, in such time that all the talents have come forth, and we were able to channelize and translate it into, the various digital, technological, applications. So once again, thank you very much on behalf of AP Police.
Now invite Mr. Ibrahim, Additional Director General of Police from Kerala, response to COVID Gold for inspirational performance during COVID-19.
Thank you very much. The entire Scotch Group, Kerala Police is proud to receive this award for our technological infusion, basically in handling the COVID performance. It's basically a team effort. And thank you, Scotch Group, for recognizing the efforts of the Kerala Police. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Mr. Abraham. I now invite Mr. Manoj Agarwal, Commissioner of Police from Rajkot, response to COVID-19. Hold.
Congratulations, Manoj ji. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you on behalf of for giving this award. It is very proud moment that I am taking this award on behalf of our Police Commissioner, Shri Manoj Agarwal, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations.
उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट से उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट
Mr. Mahendra Reddy, Director General of Police from Telangana, response to COVID-19 Gold.
Thank you very much for conferring the
ये अनाउंसमेंट हो रहा है, मतलब ऑनलाइन ही सारे हो रहे हैं, पूरी इंडिया से लोग हैं।
It's a pleasure
कोलकाता का बंदा है
recognized by Scotch Group.
Host, can you mute everyone and accept Mr. Mahendra Reddy?
Yeah. Thank you very much for conferring the honor on Telangana Police. It's a privilege for us. And it has been a teamwork by the entire police department in COVID management and lockdown management. Subsequently, our floods management here. So it has been a great honor for all of us. And thank you so much for this Scotch Group.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I now invite Mr. Vishal Guni, Superintendent of Police, Policing and Justice, Silver for Renovate, Retrain and Reassure.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Guntur Rural Police, it's just another feather in the cap under the leadership of our Director General of Police, Gautam Sawang, sir. And the absolute credit to my team, sir. Thanks so much. We'll try to outperform usually for us. Thank you.
Congratulations. I'm a big fan of Guntur chilies.
Most welcome, sir. Next time we'll serve you a good dish on that.
And now invite Dr. Fakirappa Kaginelli, Superintendent of Police from Kurnool District for Court Monitoring System, Silver.
Good evening, sir. Thank you very much for this award, sir. I especially thank our Police Director D. Gautam Sawang, sir, for constant encouragement and support. Thank you, Samir Kochar, sir, for presenting me this award. Thank you very much, sir.
Pleasure.
Ms. B. Rajakumari, Superintendent of Police from Vizianagaram for Project Assurance with Endurance, Service with Sacrifice, Silver. Move to the next. Mr. Ravindranath Babu M, Superintendent of Police, Krishna District for Project Parivartana.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much from the entire Krishna District Police, the Scotch Group. And this award goes to the entire women folk who supported us in successful implementation of this project. Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations. In response to COVID, silver goes to Chittoor District Police, and I now invite Mr. S. Senthil Kumar, Superintendent of Police. We move to the next. Mr. P.V. Sunil Kumar, Additional Director General of Police, Andhra Pradesh, Operation Muskan, Policing and Justice, Silver Award.
Thank you very much. This credit goes to my DG Sri Gautam Sawant sir and entire AP Police and CID team as well. Thank you very much for encouraging us.
Congratulations. Mr. Bhaskar Bhushan, Superintendent of Police from Sri Potti's Sri Ramulu Nellore District Police for dynamic e-beats. Silver technology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you to the Scotch Group for recognizing our effort. The entire credit goes to the wonderful men and officers of AP Police Department under the dynamic leadership of our DGP, sir. Thank you very much.
Mr. B. Srinivasulu, Commissioner of Police from Vijayawada for integrated crime prevention and monitoring. Silver.
Good evening, sir. I thank you so much for conferring this honor on Vijayawada City Police. I take this award on behalf of our Commissioner of Police, Battin Srinivasulu Garu, as well as the entire team of Vijayawada City Police. Thank you so much once again, sir.
Congratulations. Pune City Police Silver goes to Mr. Bachchan Singh, Deputy Commissioner of Police for Migrant Facilitations in COVID-19.
Yeah. I would like to thank the Scotch team for giving this award to Pune City Police for recognizing efforts the time of COVID-19. So thank you for the award.
Kanti Rana Tata, Deputy Inspector General of Police from Anantapuramu District Police for house quarantine monitoring. Silver.
Sir, I thank Scotch Group for the recognition, and I also would like to acknowledge the guidance and inspiration of our DGP sir, Sri Gautam Sawant sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations. Ms. Tripti Bhatt, Commandant, State Disaster Response Force from Uttarakhand. Silver.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to Team Scotch for acknowledging our efforts as Uttarakhand Police has, dedicatedly tried to respond to these difficult times through intervention of technology, through regular migrant movement, through a lot of training activities that we have been doing. And I'm really overwhelmed by this great honor, and I'm privileged. And I thank you all once again. It's a great learning experience to learn about the great practices other organizations, and it has been a wonderful 2-3 months journey of evaluation and different rounds, and I'm very thankful, and I hope this journey will lead to an enrichment of all of our experiences, and will continue to emulate these best practices in the independent organizations. And thanks once again, and thank you so much.
Congratulations, Tripti. Mr. P.V. Sunil Kumar, Additional Director General of Police for Crime Investigation Department, Andhra Pradesh, Project E-Nirdesha. Silver.
Thank you very much. This is much needed and mandatory by the POCSO Act and SC/ST Act. Hope this innovation will be useful for everyone. And once again, I thank my DG Sri Gautam Sawant sir and our young and dynamic Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, who are the driving forces behind all our technological endeavors. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Mr. Smith Parmar, Superintendent of Police from Mayurbhanj District, response to COVID. Silver.
Thank you so much, the whole Scotch Group, for giving this recognition to Mayurbhanj Police. On the behalf of my whole team and our state leadership, I extend my thanks to Scotch Group. This will help us to work with more passion in the coming days. Thank you.
Dr. Pradeep Philip, Director General of Police, Tamil Nadu, for Friends of Police, silver.
Congratulations, Dr. Philip. You're on mute.
Sorry. Thank you very much. It's a great honor, and we are really we have got a Philip today, and this is more than 1 million bottles of Scotch. This is what does wonders to the innovators of India. God bless your efforts. Thank you.
Philip for Philip and Scotch for Scotch.
Here we are. Director General Police, Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Sawang, for Disha Integrated Crime Scene Management, silver.
Oh, thank you very much for the acknowledgement. This is again a very unique initiative, which is integrated crime scene management, and specifically, as I said, aiming at crime against women. This award also, and this acknowledgement means a lot to all of us in the state. Thank you very much.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Dr. Varun Kapoor, Additional Director General of Police for Cyberclaw, Madhya Pradesh, silver.
Thank you once again. It's a rare honor, and I accept it with a lot of gratitude on behalf of myself, my team, and all the members of Madhya Pradesh Police who are honored with this award that you have given for our hard work and a new concept, a new beginning in a new area. Thank you so much again, the whole Scotch group.
Congratulations. Now invite Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director, REC Limited, for response to COVID, gold.
Thank you, Scotch Group. Thank you, Mr. Samir Kocher, for honoring REC with this award. On behalf of CMD REC and the organization, I express my heartfelt gratitude and thanks for this recognition. Thank you so much.
Mr. Devi Prasad Satpathy, Chief General Manager, Human Resource from Bharat Earth Movers Limited, gold, for response to COVID.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the award, sir, for recognizing our work in the field of response to COVID-19. This award is only for not us, not for me. It is for the whole BEML family, my chairman's direction towards doing the work for the COVID response. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations, Mr. Satpathy. Mr. Prafulla Chandra Pandya, Chief Engineer.
Thank you, sir.
Silver.
Thank you very much, sir. In fact, credit goes to all the youth staff and the dynamic leadership of our MD, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations. Now invite Mr. Vikas Sitaramji Bhale, Managing Director, Rajasthan State Mines and Minerals Limited, for marketing and sales applications, silver.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much on behalf of RSMM. We are really thankful to recognize the efforts of the RSMM to maintain the supply chain during the COVID time and giving end-to-end solution to the customers. Thank you again. Thank you very much.
Mr. Rajan Sehgal, Chairman and Managing Director, National Handicap Finance and Development Corporation, silver, for NHFDC Swavnamban Kendra. Please unmute yourself. You are muted.
I think you didn't get it. We can move on, Gulshan.
You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, finally.
I'm sorry. No, thank you very much. Not take time. This award will help me to take this institution across each and every district of the country. And I expect to touch at least 2,000 PWDs in each district through each structure every year. Thank you.
And I hope it helps you avoid the future allegations.
No, this one is foolproof.
Okay.